Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to convert Excel to Google Sheets. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to convert Excel to Google Sheets. Method 1. Import Excel data into Google Drive. If you need to import Excel into Google Sheets without losing formatting, follow these simple steps. First, go to your Google Drive. Click on plus new in the top left, then on File Upload. Pick the Excel workbook you want to import. Open your Excel file. After a few minutes, your Excel workbook will be uploaded to your Google Drive. You'll find it under My Drive. You can also click on it in the Upload dialog to open it. The XLSX bubble at the top means you're still opening and working in an Excel file. You can keep working in this file format, which is useful if you need to send the file back to Excel later. Method 2. Automatically convert Excel spreadsheets to Google Sheets. Did you know that you don't have to manually convert every single Excel spreadsheet into a Google Sheet after you upload it? There's actually a little known setting in Google Drive that will do this for you automatically. For this, hit the Settings cog in the top right, then Settings in the drop-down menu. Once you're on the Settings screen, look for an option called Convert Uploads to Google Docs Editor Format. With that box checked, any Excel document you upload to Google Drive will automatically be covered to a Google Sheet. No extra manual work required. Note that this will affect any Word documents you upload, too. But while this method might be easy, it's not perfect. Fix worksheet-related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to convert Excel to Google Sheets using 2 easy ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.